All right, guys, I'm gonna jump right into this. I don't have a ton of daylight. I'm gonna set up the tripod, gonna start the video off like that, and we're gonna start deep cleaning this carpet. So we've got some Ajax dish soap. I've already sprinkled a whole lot of it on top of this carpet right here. You guys can probably see the swirl marks. And I have an electric drill with a bristle brush on it. All right, obviously it's the next day. So I just want to show you guys real quick what we're working with. Just how dirty everything is. All the cracks and seams. So I've already started cleaning most of this stuff up. Figured I'd take a minute and show you guys what's up real quick though. Check this out. Getting ready to clean these ones up. Same method as yesterday. Ajax soap, electric drill, and a bristle brush on the drill. Little toothbrush action. Already cleaned these ones up and they look so much better. Yeah, way better. Especially right here. I'm sure, as you guys know, a lot of dirt and a bunch of crap kicks up and builds up right there, and that looks so much better. Even the backside looks way good too. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. About 2-3 hours later, here's the finished product. Got all these pieces looking really good. There's a little bit of fading on them, could be from the soap that I used, but just do a quick little wipe down once I go back together with the car. And almost dropped my phone, but yeah, we'll just call it a day there. And we finally reached the part of the video where we can go ahead and put this interior back together. So real quick, I'll show you guys what the interior looks like as of right now. Here it is. Got it all vacuumed out, wiped out with alcohol. Car is much cleaner now than it was when I got it. I'm really looking forward to putting the interior back together now. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Well, figured I'd give you guys a quick update. Currently at a stopping point for the evening. I did get the whole car completely put back together, minus one kick panel back there. I'm missing 2 of those little clips right there that clip the panel into the body in those holes. So I'm gonna wait until I can get some new clips for that, so that way I can put it back together properly. But this is the final install for the most part. I got the seats in the backyard drying right now. And I got a new armrest coming soon. I'm working on finding a shift boot, and yeah, you guys will see. I'm telling you guys too much right now. You'll see at the end of this video, but we'll touch bases with you guys tomorrow after work. The seats have been out back drying for like 3 days straight now, and they're pretty much ready to go. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on another time lapse, get these seats installed, and wrap this interior project up. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff. But real quick before I install these seats, I just want to show you guys, just take a second and appreciate just how much better it looks. So I know you guys saw it before. You saw the carpet, you saw all the interior pieces, and it looks so much better. And you guys aren't even ready for the last piece, the final piece of the puzzle that I have for this car. You have no idea. Spent a pretty penny on it too. But check it out, so much better. Carpet's so much nicer. No more stains, no more maggots. It's so disgusting. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. This is just part 2 of like 20, but yeah, good times. We have finally approached the end of the video. And here you have it. This is the final product. Seats came out good, carpet came out good. And got the back seats reinstalled. Like, from when I got it to now, it is just a night and day difference. It's crazy how much cleaner it is. Pretty excited about it. So now on to the surprise of the video, which I have good news and I have bad news. Just so you guys know, I'm not going to be installing this part, but I just wanted to show you guys that I have it. I did buy it with intentions of installing it, and I decided I'm not interested in installing it. Yep. So you guys may or may not have noticed the shift knob in this car is completely worn off. And it's for a definite good reason. After getting the shift knob and inspecting it, based on the way that the paint feels, yeah, it's pretty evident that this paint is not going to last any longer than that paint did on that there knob. So definitely going to go ahead and disregard the idea of installing this, although it was a pretty penny. I mean, there's a part number for you guys. It is real expensive, and I'm not going to install it just to have it get destroyed. Now, that ultimately depends on how much I end up driving the car, which probably is not going to be a whole lot. But for now, it's at least a really cool piece to have in my collection. So yeah, there you guys have it. I got some more goodies for this car, which you guys will have to see in some later videos. Not right now, not anytime soon. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the detail. It's been real. It's been fun. Hasn't been real fun. We'll see you guys in the next one.